Hello everybody, this is Exploding TNT. Woohoo! Today I'm gonna show you how to build an Exploding TNT minecart on an airplane. How you short people, whatever. TNT. Like this. No, here. Put a minecart down here. Roll it. Loading TNT and boom. And on the other side of that airplane, you could do the same thing if you build some kind of airplane. If you build some kind of airplane, you could do the same thing, whatever.